Hello, welcome. Today I will be using the Kenmore Elite sewing machine. We are going to be winding and inserting the bobbin, threading the machine, and also using the needle threader. Let's get started. Now it is time to turn on the power. You will find the button located to the right-hand side of the machine. Lift at the spool pin and place the spool of thread on the pin. Place the cap next to the spool of thread to hold in place. Take the thread and place it on the thread guide. Once the thread is securely on the thread guide, we can now take the empty bobbin and thread it. The thread will go from the inside out. Place the bobbin on the bobbin winding spindle, hold the end of the thread, and push the spindle to the right to lock the bobbin winding into place. Hold the end of the thread as you press down on the pedal. Press down on the pedal until the thread goes around the bobbin a few times. Cut the little piece of thread off. Once you press down on your pedal, now you can fill up your bobbin. It will automatically stop when it gets towards the end. Remove the bobbin and cut about 2 inches from the bobbin. While holding the bobbin in your hand, make sure the thread is counterclockwise. You will now place the bobbin into the bobbin holder. If you forget in what direction the thread should go, you can always look at the cover plate for a diagram. Now, with the thread in your left hand, you are going to guide it through notch A. Hold the thread and then you're going to slide it up to your left and then slide it into notch B. Make sure there's about 6 inches of thread remaining. And now you can place the cover plate back, or you can wait until you finish threading the needle. You only have 4 steps to thread the machine. Number 1, draw the thread around the upper thread guide. Number 2, then go down and around the check spring holder. On to number 3. Firmly place the thread from the right to the left over the take up lever. Make sure the thread clicks in. You will notice that the diagram shows the thread goes to the right and around to go back down. There are 2 guides to hook into: the lower thread guide and the needle bar thread guide. Now onto my favorite part, using the needle threader. Raise the needle to its highest position. Pull down the needle threader knob as far as it will go. Turn the knob in the direction of the needle. Lead the thread around the guide and under the hook. So once your thread is around the needle guide, you will then pull back and the thread will come through. The needle threader can be used with a number 11 to 16 needle or a number 11 blue needle. Thread size 50 to 100 should work well. Hold the needle thread lightly with your left hand. Press the up and down needle position button twice to pick up the bobbin thread up by pulling the needle thread up. Pull both threads under and to the back of the presser foot, leaving about 4 to 6 inches of thread clear. Be sure to subscribe if you like this channel. Hope you enjoyed Craft Time Sisters with threading the machine.